Good day everyone. My name is Shane Mary Vizcaya. So, ang akong partner for this report is si Servant Rejos. So, our topic today is setting up NVRs using mobile phone. So, what NVR stands for? It is a network video recorder. It is a specialized device that receives video streams from IP, which is the Internet Protocol, cameras over a network. Stores them, for example, on a hard drive, and allows playback and remote access. So unlike a traditional DVR, which is digital video recorder, which is typically used with analog cameras, and NVR works with digital air or IP cameras, and the video encoding and processing is often done at the camera side rather than at the recorder. So, ang advantage include is flexibility in camera placement, higher video quality, and remote monitoring capabilities. So, ang NVR kuno is usa ka device nga gigamit para mag-record o gikan sa mga IP cameras, which is kanang digital nga cameras nga mo connect sa Wi-Fi or LAN. Yeah. So basically kay ang NVR kuno kay digital version sa DVR. Anya ang NVR dili kinahanglan nga direct cable sa camera, pwede network connection lang. Gigamit pud ni siya sa mga modern CCTV setups nga gusto nimo ma-view ang imong cellphone or computer bisan asa ka. So for example, kung naa kay mga IP camera sa balay, then imong NVR kay nakakonect sa router, pwede nimo makita ang live view sa imong phone nga gamit na app. So, ang the next report ani sa mga step by step kanang pag set up na jud siya sa kanang NVR using mobile phone si Sherwin Torrijos. That's all.